Hello guys, welcome to my channel and watch my tutorials. This is a session to show you how to dissolve vector data from many or two polygons to one. Sometimes you will find that the vector polygon data you are analyzing is spiritually divided into many unwanted polygons, and you will need to dissolve them into one to make it clear. In this session, I'm going to dissolve Kivu Lake into one polygon and dissolve the district data layer into one polygon to generate the country boundary. Let's go. Actually, to perform this task as usual, I need to go to Start menu, and in the GIS package, I will need to open ArcMap. Here I will need to close this window, and then you see that our interface is still empty like usual, and I'm going to save this project in order to perform this task in a safe manner. To do so, I will click on File, scroll down to Save As, and then I will need to browse to where I'm going to save the project. My project will be saved. Yes, GIS tutorial, yes, and then I will create a folder here and I will call it data dissolve. Let me click on this icon, create new folder, and write data dissolve. Then I will need to open this folder, and then inside I will need to create project, call it data dissolve, and then click on save. Actually, you see that the name of the ArcMap document is up here on the top, and remember that we are going to dissolve Kivu Lake, and then later we will dissolve the district data layer in order to generate the country boundary. I'm going to add data of lake. To do so, I will go to File and scroll down to Add Data and click on Add Data as usual. Here I will need to go to where I'm fetching data. To do so, I will need to click here on Connect to folder, and then here, yes, in this folder, let me connect this folder. Yes, data are saved into this geodatabase. I will open it, and then I need lake data from natural resources future data set. Lake is this one, and then I will click on Add. Actually, you see that the lake data have been added, but those are the lake of the whole country. This is Kivu Lake, this is Burera and Irohondo, and the lakes, many lakes in Eastern Province. So, but now I'm going to deal with Kivu Lake. Actually, if I zoom and zoom, you see that Kivu Lake has many polygons. This is a polygon, this is one polygon, another polygon. All I need is to dissolve all those polygons in order to make Kivu Lake into one polygon. But first of all, I'm going to generate only Kivu Lake data layer from those other lakes. To do this task, I will need to select it first. But remember that we will need to export data in our working space. But it is only folder. We have to create a geodatabase as a scratch space, as have been done in the previous video. To do so, I will need to go to catalog. Already catalog is here. Let me close this, and this is the folder that have been saved, the project, this project. I'm going to create the geodatabase here in this working space. To do so, just do right click on it, scroll down to new, then click on File, Geodatabase, and our geodatabase will be called data dissolve. This is the geodatabase and a scratch space where data or output have been saved in. So I will need to go back here in the map interface, and we are going to select Kivu Lake that you're going to generate from other lakes in Rwanda. To do so, here I can select Kivu Lake by using select by attribute. But as you have seen in the previous station, we have seen that there are no names of lakes in this data layer. I'm going to use select by features, selected feature. To do so, I will need to click on this icon, select feature, and I will need to select it like this. But it's better to visualize well if there is any other thing will be selected outside. So actually I'm done by selecting Kivu Lake. You see that there are no other lakes have been selected, and I will go back to table of content, just do like the click on lakes data layer, and scroll down to data, and then click on that export data, and in this window export data I will need to browse to where I can save my output. Actually, I will need to click go to home folder, and I will see that the geodatabase that will host our output is available here. Just do double click on it to open, and then the name will be Kivu Lake. Kivu, yes, underscore lake. Then click on save. Okay, and then yes. Actually, I'm done by exporting my Kivu Lake as a new data generated from other lakes. Another thing is to clear selection. To do so, I will go to selection here and scroll down to clear selected features. Actually, you see that there is no selection here. Again, I will need to uncheck all the lakes, and here you will see that I have only Kivu Lake. But upon zooming, you will see that already Kivu Lake is containing many polygons inside. So I need to dissolve it in order to make it a single polygon, not many polygons inside. To do so, I will need to open Arc Toolbox. Click on the Arc Toolbox. I will need to minimize it and put it here like this, and I will need to find which tool will be used to dissolve this Kivu Lake. So I will need to go to these data management tools, and I will need to find generalization toolset. This is generalization, and inside the generalization you will see that there is dissolve tool. You will need to open this dissolve tool. Input feature will be Kivu Lake because I'm going to dissolve Kivu Lake. And the output feature class will be the output that I will be generating, but will be saved in our scratch space. I will need to browse here, and I will click on go to home folder. Then they will be redirected me to data dissolved database. Open it, and then write Kivu underscore lake underscore dissolve. Yes, then I will need to click on save, then OK. Actually, the process have been done, and you see that Kivu Lake dissolved have been generated successfully. And you need to go back to table of content. Actually, you see that Kivu Lake dissolved data layer have been generated in table of content. And if I uncheck this Kivu Lake that have been generated before, you see that in map viewer you see Kivu Lake dissolve is already here, and upon you see there are no other more polygons that are displaying here inside Kivu Lake. So you see that the Kivu Lake is clear. The following is to change the color of water body, because Kivu Lake or any other water body will not be presented by this color. I will need to go to table of content and click on this icon and choose this lake and click OK. You see that Kivu Lake color have been changed. Another thing, I have told that I will dissolve district data layer in order to generate the country boundary. Suppose that you have only district data layer, but someone told you that you need the boundary of the country, but you have only district boundary. So it is not a big deal. You will need to generate the country boundary from that layer of district. To do so, let me first of all add district data layer here from admin feature dataset. Let me go to file, scroll down to add data, and click on add data. Actually, I'm in the natural resources feature dataset. I will need to click on go up one level, and then in admin feature dataset, I will need to add district. Yes. And you see that the districts are available here in our map viewer, but those are the district, not a country. But I want to generate the country boundary from this district data layer. Let me first of all uncheck Kivu Lake dissolve and make district data layer zoom to fit this window. And I will need to dissolve those districts in order to generate the country boundary. I will need to click on this Arc Toolbox, and in data management tools, I will need to click on or to open generalization toolset, and then I will need to open this tool dissolve, and then input feature will be district, and the output feature class will be country boundary. Country underscore boundary. Yes, click on save and then click OK. Match perfect. The process has done. Actually, upon going back in table of content, you see that the country boundary have been generated, and I will need to uncheck district data layer. But this boundary have been generated from the district data layer. Match perfect. This is what I want to do in this session. let me again make it boundary hollow. I will need to click on this icon and then click on hollow, and even I will modify the size of outline width. Yes, and again let me bring back curve lake dissolve here, and you see that curve lake is available and even the country boundary is available. So this is how you will deal with and you want the polygons, many polygons, but you need to generate only one polygon from many polygons. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. If you find it important and helpful to you, please subscribe, like and share. See you guys in the next video.